Today I will be talking about merge sort algorithm. Questions about merge sort are often asked in tech interviews. It is one of the base sorting algorithms. Let's begin with simple definition. Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm, often implemented recursively. In order to implement it, first we need to have an array or list of numbers, integers or floats. It is up to you. Here I have an array of 7 integers. Remember, merge sort is divide and conquer algorithm, and the first step is to divide. I am going to divide my array in two halves. As we have 7 numbers, the two halves won't be equal, but that's okay. After we get our two halves, we continue to divide the subarrays until we get the individual numbers. So, first half will contain numbers from index 0 up to 3, and the second half will contain the numbers from index 4 up to 6. Okay, so we are done with our divide step, and now it's time to continue with the second step of our algorithm, which is conquer. What does conquer mean here? It means that we get the divided numbers and just order it however we want. In our case, we are ordering them in ascending order. So we get the numbers 2 by 2, as you can see here, 90 and 50. Compare and swap them if needed. So let me do a check. We have 90 and 50. 50 is smaller than 90, so we put 50 in the front and we write 92. We do the same for the rest of the numbers. Let me do it fast.
We compare 40 and 85. We compare 8 and 10.
99 is by itself, so we just go along with it. Okay, so now our divided numbers, they are coupled again, and now what we are doing is that we are comparing couples versus couples. So what we have 50, 90, and then 40, 85. What we do is compare 40 and 50, and we see that 40 is smaller than 50, and just write 40. For the second comparison, we now have 50 and 85. We compare 50 and 85, we see that 50 is smaller than 85. We write down 50 and we move on the second number of the array we have, which is 90. Now we compare 90 and 85. Here 85 is smaller, so we write it down and we write down 90. Okay, so now we had 2 by 2 array of numbers, which we made a array of 4 numbers. We proceed to compare
8 with 99. So what we do? We ask, is 8 smaller than 99? Yes, it is, so we write 8. Then we move to the next number. Then, is 10 smaller than 99? Yes, it is, so we write it down. And then we write the last number, which is 99.
So now you can see that we initially had 7 numbers and we divided by 2 each until we got individual numbers, and we are coupling them again. That's why most of the times merge sort algorithm is implemented recursively. So again, let's continue our merging. We are in the merge part. Okay, we are on the merge part. Now for the last step, what we'll do is to compare all of the numbers and we'll get the final result.
So let's begin with 40 and 8. We see that between the two, 8 is the smaller number, so we write it down and we forget about 8. Then we continue to compare 40 and 10. 10 is the smaller number, we write it down and we forget about the 10 also. Then we got 99 and 40. 40 is the smaller number, we write it down. And then 50, and then 85, and then 90. Then we compare, and then we have nothing left except 99.
This was the final step of the merge sort algorithm. As you can see, the numbers are sorted in ascending order, and what you can see from the previous steps is that by continuously sorting, after all, we got the smallest number in the front, and then we were comparing the smallest numbers versus smallest numbers until we are going up to the front. So naturally all the numbers just got sorted. Okay, that's all from me, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.